Hello children. In the last video we have discussed about living and non-living things and its characteristics. Shortly we will revise this. Living things, things which are alive. For example, birds, animals, insects, human beings. Okay, these are the living things example, and the things which are alive are called living things. Which are non-living things? Things which are not alive. That is, for example, chair, book, fan, table, bike, car. This all are the example of non-living things. Now, what are the characteristics? Living things characteristics are movement, growth, reproduction, need for the food, sensing the changes, taking breaths are the characteristics of living things. Non-living things characteristics are they do not move, they do not grow, they do not reproduce, they do not need food, they do not feel, and they do not breathe. So these are the characteristics of non-living things. Today we are going to discuss the characteristics of living things in detail. Today we will discuss the first two characteristics in detail. Let's see. Characteristics of living things. First characteristics is living things move. Why do living things move? Generally, living things move in search of food, shelter, and protect themselves from enemies. They move because in search of food, shelter, and protect themselves from enemies. This ability of living things to move from one place to another is called locomotion. What it is called? It is called locomotion. For animals use different mode for movement, right? For example, walking, running, swimming, flying, hopping, to move from one place to another. Like that way, plants do show movement from one place to another. Plants show movement from one place to another. However, different parts of plants can show movements. Different parts of plants show movement. For example, the plant touch me not. This plant touch me not means whenever you touch that plant leaves will close, and if it is as it is, the plants are open, the leaves are open, but if you touch that plant, the leaves will shut down. Okay, and next example is sunflower. If you see sunflower, it is always facing towards the sun. Whenever the sun is, their face is towards the sun. So these are the example of plants and how they move from one place to another. Living things move by themselves and therefore make best use of this property to show that they are alive. Have you ever seen a chair moving by itself? No. Chair will never move by itself. It needs supports or it needs somebody to move it from one place to another. Next characteristics is living things grow. Living things exhibit grow as they grow means living things change into the shape and size of their body. Right? Growth of living things takes place with time. Means it will take time to grow. For example, a human baby will grow into an adult. Right? Like that way, in plants, if you see here, a small seeds grows slowly, one by one into a big tree. A seeds grows into a big tree, but it will take little time to grow into a big tree. These are the example of how living things grow and how plants also grow from seeds to a bigger tree, right? But have you seen a small toy growing up into a big toy, or a small computer growing up into a big computer? The answer will be no, because they are not living things, right? Only living things can move and grow. Right? Thank you.